Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to share your location on iPhone. For that, firstly, you need to go on your settings. Now here, if you scroll down a bit, there you will see the option Privacy and Security. You need to tap on that. And at the top, you can see the option Location Services. You need to tap on that. If your location services is off, toggle up the button, because the location services needs to be on in order to share your location. Now after that, there you can see the option Share My Location. You need to tap on that. Here also you need to make sure that your location is turned on. If not, then simply toggle up the button, and after that you can go back. The location can be shared only through your text message. So go to your text message and open up any messages or the person that you want to share your location with. Now in this text message section, at the bottom left, you can see plus sign icon. Tap on that. And there you can see the option location. You need to simply tap on that. Now here you can center the location you are at and simply send them the pin. And this is how you can share your location on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.